Children, today we are going to continue the chapter Computer, its types and the different types of languages. Now, assembly language too has disadvantages. It is also machine dependent, and the programmer needs to understand the hardware. Now, machine language and assembly language, these are called the low level languages. Now, to overcome the problems of low level languages, the high level languages were developed. It is also known as the third level language. Now, this HLL or high level language they were very simple to learn and they were user friendly. And these languages used English like phrases for commands. They wrote commands in English which was easy to read and write and easily found out the errors. Example we have like COBOL, C, C++, Java. Now HLL needed to be translated to machine language. So they were translated to machine language with the help of translators like interpreters and compilers. Now difference between interpreter and compilers are like interpreter, they execute the code line by line. So if there is an error, then the execution will stop and the error has to be first removed before the execution continues. So whichever line of code there is error, the execution process will stop and it will rectify those lines. But in case of compiler, it translates the whole program in one go and then saves the machine code. Now the fourth generation language, that is 4GL. 4GL is designed to be closest to the natural language of human. Now 4GL programming is easy and they are very user friendly. The user just needs to provide the input and the format in which the output is required without involving any steps. And what are the examples of fourth generation language? Fourth generation language includes like SQL, Ruby, Mantis. This is the fourth generation language. Now fifth generation language. Now fifth generation language is designed to make the computer solve a given problem. Over here the programmer will be absent. There will be no programmer. So it is the computer that solves the given problem. The user has to just give the problem that is to be solved and the conditions which needs to be met. Now 5GL is used in artificial intelligence research. For example, we have like Mercury, Prolog, OPS5. So these are some of the examples of fifth generation language. So children, we have ended the chapter here. Next session we will continue with the exercises and the question answers. Thank you.